Yeah, welcome to my channel once more. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and add your comments too. So I want us to talk little about ByBit for beginners. For beginners, I'm going to put you guys through on everything you need to know about ByBit. For beginners, I'm not going to talk much in details, but I will explain how most of the pages work and how you can get your ByBit running. So first of all, you have to register. You have to register. Then once you register, make sure you verify your account, which is very easy. It's a very easy process. So I've registered. This is the register button here. So make sure you register and then you verify your account to be able to carry out some other activities on the ByBit site. Well, I'm using the desktop version. So you can also download the app on your Play Store or your iOS store, and it's almost the same thing. So maybe my next video I will teach you guys how the app works. But in this video, we are working strictly on the desktop version. The desktop version. So this is pretty much the front end, the home page of ByBit. Once you register, this is how it's going to show you the home page. As you can see, it's showing us the coins that are trading and the values and what they're trading on. Okay, so then let's start with Web3. Web3, let's leave Web3 is click on Web3. You know how to work on Web3, you have to connect your wallet, Bible wallet to it to work on Web3. So, and you know what Web3 is all about, airdrops and co. You know, so we will talk about that one later, especially. But in this video, I want us to explain if you want to buy your crypto, the first thing you do, you can either buy your crypto using P2P. P2P, you can deposit via fiat, you can convert, you can crypto deposits. So P2P trading, once you click on P2P trading, it will take you to. So I'm not going to talk much. So once you register, the first thing you do is to credit your account. Definitely is to credit your account. So crediting your account now. So using P2P, P2P means Bybit will stand as an escrow for you. So different countries with different rules and different countries with different rules. So in this place, you find people in your country that wants to sell USDT, USDT for you. So once you click on the P2P, you'll be able to, yeah. So this is the page. So this is the page. Let me just explain how it works. So these are the people that buy it, but make sure you buy from verified users. And verified users are those that you see a tick on top of their names or their usernames. So you fixing your amount here, the amount you want to pay, putting the amount here, then the Bybit app automatically filters based on the amount you want to buy. Bybit automatically filters it for you to see the verified users that you want to buy from, and then you buy from them. You buy from them. So let me see an instance. You click on buy, click buy, click on buy. It will open the page for you, and you see everything the person have written, everything the person has written, and his condition terms is advertising condition. Then put in your amount here, and then you buy. So I'll do a separate video for that. I'm just trying to explain how Bybit work generally. Generally. So I told you you can buy using P2P, then you can buy one click buy, you can do fiat deposit, top up via bank transfers and via your bank card. You can automatically top up your this thing via your bank cards. But I don't know, but because most cryptocurrencies are restricted, were restricted in different countries. So I would advise you either use a normal crypto deposits where you have a trader or have someone that wants to sell that you deposit directly using your wallet ID, or you buy via P2P. P2P. So crypto deposits, it will open a deposit section for you where you select the coin you want to deposit, and they give you a unique deposit address that you give to the person that wants to sell to you. Eh? They want to sell to you. So this is how to deposit. So let's assume I want to deposit Bitcoin now. I want to deposit Bitcoin. It will automatically bring out Bitcoin, the Bitcoin address. So these are the choose a chain. So this is the network where you want to send the money. There are different networks you want to send money. So this is just this is Bitcoin network. So it all depends. As other coins that have more than one network. Let me let's say USDT. You want to sell, you want to deposit USDT. To ask you different chains now of USDT. So we have different chains. We have TRN, we have Ethereum, we have Arbitrum. So you choose the one you want. So I want to use TRM. I want to use TLC. TLC is Tron Chain Network, which is very fast. So once you do that, so you can copy the address. You copy this address, and then you send it to what? Send it to the person that wants to sell to you, and you buy, and you confirm your coin, and your coin will be present in your account. So this is the market. So markets simply is just open this market overview. So market generally shows you the market that is available, the pairs that is available on the market. Pairs are available in the market, and everything about the market derivatives, market everything like the spot, the coins that are trending, newly listed, the top gainers, the trending coins, the market pairs, and how it's being worked on. This is where you check your market pairs and everything visually. Then trading now. If you want to trade now, I do more of spot trading. I don't do futures and options. Those are for the advanced traders. But spot trading, this is where you want to trade. You want to sell your coin. You want to sell or you want to buy. If you've placed a trade on spot and you want to sell or buy, maybe you already have your coin in your wallet. But before you go into this trading, you must have the token, the coins already in that coins you want to trade on. You must have it already. It must be here. Let's assume I want to trade on USDT. I'm supposed to have already bought USDT in my account already. So I want to use to buy coins. Do you understand? I want to use to buy coins. So that is what this trade is all about. That is what the trade is all about. That's what the trade is all about. So I can decide to. So this is our trade analysis. This is our charts. These are our charts. These are all our charts. So you see your charts. This is where you do your. This is where you buy. This is where you buy. This is your buy and sell. Buy and sell. I think I have. So what you do is you go to spot trading. Make sure you click on market. Market is very, very important. Click on market. Market is an average set market value for the coins you are trading here. So once you set a limit, you're automatically setting the limit on how much you want to sell. So as setting the limit means you have the options to sell at any amount you want to sell, and ByBit automatically pay you to anybody that has that same amount, that wants to that same amount. But we're using market value. Basically, the average value you can use to buy in the market instantly. So this is the value. You put the value in USDT, then you scroll, either you use 100 or anything, 100% of the coins and everything, and then you buy. And once you buy, it will automatically be credited into your account. Then same thing, you can also want to sell. You can sell in your market, and then the amount you want to sell, you increase it, and then you sell. Then this is your option, your coin options. This is where you see the pairs, or the pairs you want to you want to invest in or the OAC or the OPS, is USDT pairs. This is your USDC pairs. This is your Euro pair, and so on and so forth. So this is where you any coin you want to buy, you come to this place and you click on it. Let me see Solana to get Solana. You can Solana, Solana and USDT, but make sure you must have USDT in your account. If you want to use USDC, you must have USDC in your account. So now this is Solana. So the same time as I explained, you want to buy it, you go and buy the market value, you put in the amount, and then you buy and you sell. So this is how you do spot trading. I will do a special video on strictly spot trading later later on. So please make sure you subscribe and make sure you share and like and comment So this is just an introductory video on how ByBit works. Introductory videos on how ByBit. These are the tools. Copy trading. Copy trading. You have registered and verified traders, and you see the performance. So this is where if you are into trading, all these futures and derivatives and options, this is where you see master traders and you copy their trades and you make have your return on investment. So I don't do so. But this video is not for trading though. This is your trading. These are trading bots. You can invest trading. They will trade for you automatically. You invest and you trade for you automatically. So that is that. Then these are other options that they have: card options, crypto loans, and all those stuff. You can borrow loans and all those things from crypto from Bybit. Then there are also other things, VIP programs. You have institutional services. So then let's come to this place. So this is your main account. So in this asset now shows you what you have. Once you click on this console, you see your funding account. Funding account is your default account. Once you trade or you buy or once you trade or maybe you buy a coin, it automatically goes to your funding account, or you want to send your money out or withdraw, the money must be in your funding account. Then we have our unified trading account. This is where you must put your money here for you to do trading. If you want to buy and sell inside the coin, you want to buy a new coin, you have to use unified trading. So let's click on funding account, then funding account. So these are funding accounts. So as you can see, I don't have much money in my funding accounts. I have money in my funding accounts. Then unified trading. This is our unified trading. Once you click on unified trading, you will see this is unified trading. Unified trading is different from funding account. If you want to trade, or when you, in sports, as I taught you in sports, if you want to trade, your money must be in your unified trading. So let's talk about withdrawal. The same thing, if you want to withdraw a coin, you click on withdrawal, then you withdraw. Then transfer. Transfer is if you want to transfer, you can transfer a coin from your unified trading to your funding trade to your funding account. When you find your funding account to your unified trading, so you might have some funds in your funding account, and you want to transfer it to your unified trading to be able to trade. So that's where transfer works. Or you want transfer, then convert. Convert is when you want to convert it. You want to jump this your spot trading. You don't want to use it. You click on convert, and it will automatically bring out a page for you where you convert your coins to another coin automatically without using the normal spot trading. So it's a good way and it's zero fee, and it's like a swapping method of swapping your account to another your token to another token. So this is it. Just to swap from BTC to this, you swap and then you put, and it's got you get it on. So withdrawal, how do you, so this is your order. Usually you see all your orders. If you bought a crypto, if you bought crypto, you earned anything. If you have done a trade, you see everything in your orders. Then overview is where you see your account overview and co. Then withdrawal, you want this how to withdraw. It's how to withdraw. These are your withdraw. Maybe you have a coin you want to withdraw now, to open a withdrawal page for you. Then we have on-chain withdrawal. That's if you want to send it to different due to an exchange or to to a wallet or something. It's an on-chain withdrawal. So you can say Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin, then you put your Bitcoin address. You must have an address that you want to send it to. Then address is history. Then we also have internal withdrawal, internal transfer. Internal transfer is so wonderful that it's only applicable to those using ByBit. ByBit, so you can transfer to someone using ByBit without even putting the wallet. All you need is just the phone number or the email address or the UID. UID. UID is a this UID is your unique number here. This is your UID. Your UID is a unique number for your Bybit account. So you can if you want to transfer someone using Bybit, you don't need person's coin. Just use the UID number and put the amount and you send and it goes that. So in my next video I'm going to talk more about spot trading. Spot trading. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and share.